pre-hype song?
We just started. What's up, y'all? It's GGG and Trippy today. Going on with everybody? It's been like a very
Yo,
long time. Like, man, it's been
yeah,
like 3 minutes. I think last time I streamed was like before my eye surgery and stuff. And then
yeah. How was
I
it,
went,
by the way? Everything went well?
yeah, I'm pretty good now. I mean, it's as good as it's gonna get, really. But yeah, welcome
Wait,
to the
what? You got
stream.
LASIK? You got LASIK eye surgery?
I got some, man, this shit was expensive, bro. It's like $5,000. It was nuts.
Yeah.
No, I got cross-linking. I had some kind of stuff on my eyes, but yeah, and it was just
Damn.
like the
You got
recovery was like
you
painful,
got
bro.
nutted?
Huh?
Someone nutted in your eye?
Nah, bro. What's going on? What's up with the market? All right, hold up. Actually, real quick, what are we doing for the stream? Yeah, it's been a minute, so we're just gonna do pretty chill. You said you got the vape pen, right? The cart. So he's gonna
Yeah.
be.
Okay, we got
He's
good
gonna.
vibes going on. Good evening to everybody. It's been a minute, but good to be
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Let's
Make
get
sure if you
paid.
guys trying to get paid all 32 cents, brother, from Google. Yeah,
Yeah,
if you
hit the
guys
like
want to,
button, guys. We need it.
exactly, well, the algorithm is all effed up right now. If you guys want to support the
Yeah.
channel, drop a like for me. And
Let
actually, we already got
Let us
somebody
know if you
liking the
got
video.
the bell notification as well for anybody who has that on.
Oh yeah, that'd be dope.
And
So let's
just
get to the
spam,
topic.
guys, just spam in the comments. Sorry.
No, go ahead. You trippy right now. You
Yes.
vibing.
So everybody who watches after the live, can
Mhm.
you just like spam comment so the
Oh
algo
yeah.
helps GGG?
Yeah, we
Like
need to get
spam
back on.
random letters and numbers and
Exactly. Maybe your backup account can show up for a bit and just kind of help out too, you know? The burner
Oh
account.
yeah, yeah, sure. I got you.
Anyway, so today's video title is Santa Rally. I'm pretty bullish on the market now because I don't know if you tuned into Jay Powell, but that press conference was very bullish for me.
It was
I
a
know,
breath of fresh air, really.
well, the thing is like like we know the economy is like being held by duct tape right now, but the market doesn't care. It's just like taking every bad news, every good news as bullish. It's like, oh, high unemployment rate. That's good because that means
Yeah.
the interest rates are working. And then if it's
Why?
like,
So
huh?
somebody in the outside perspective, why would they be pumping the market right now?
They just want to keep making money, brother. I mean, if the market crashes, then a lot of wealthy people lose a lot of wealth, so they don't want it to go down.
So are they
And
the ones keeping the market up, you think, then?
yeah, probably. I
Purposely?
mean, who else? Who else is gonna? Why would they want the market to crash? Something like crazy has to happen for like everything to collapse. Like something like the bank failures and stuff. Where
For everybody to start pulling out?
yeah, for everybody to
But
start
it seems like
printing.
not even wars going on in the Middle East and Western Europe. Like not even that can trigger a market crash?
Nah, no, but it did kind of show like a flash of what could happen a little bit, you know. Especially like what was it? The Russian one? That one was the one that really like it showed up, you know. It showed like a world event like that can actually affect the
Yeah,
indexes and
and it's
stuff.
crazy because you have a lot of countries that their inflation are is like over 100%, so their paper money is useless.
Yeah.
So like the market never even factors in a lot of the things happening in the world that shows that it's like doomsday. But
Yeah.
I guess until it happens here,
Right.
nothing. We're just gonna keep getting pumps.
Yeah, something crazy's gotta happen. Which I was thinking, like I've been reading and stuff, and people that I watch and stuff, they say like well, now it's an election year, so now they're gonna pump it all year, right? Because they don't want to,
Bro, if
like,
that turns out to be true, slightly true, or
hmm
like anything like that,
yeah,
we can make a lot of money.
yeah. Well, look, this is the QQQ. There's a like. Let's talk about the chart. Just technicals, ignoring like all the outside things. Like this is a huge cup and handle, kinda, and it's breaking back out. So this is on a weekly basis, like so each candle is on the weekly time frame, so each candle is a week. But we basically closed at, near all-time highs. And this right here, like I said, it could be a cup and handle, which would be kind of like a cup and then a handle here, and now we're coming back out, which is a very bullish pattern. But even if you ignore this here, you could say this is a bull flag right here, which is another bullish pattern. If it's a bull flag, then we could have a retest of this downtrend here, this resistance here, and then go higher. So that's a possibility there. But the way that December's kind of setting up, it looks like this is the more ideal thing where we might kind of fight through this level here, like just kind of sideways, and then actually go out and actually break to the upside. But yeah, I don't really see much downside like midterm. Like I would say probably like February, March will probably be back around this range. So let's say uh end of December and January are bearish, and then February, March we could start going back up. So February, March I would probably see us around here. Worst case, I think, or we could just be even higher by February, March if it's the cup and handle. So what do you think?
Yeah, I mean,
I mean, look at this here. This is the MACD right here. I know people hate the MACD, but it's crossing back out bullish again. Once we start crossing bullishness, we start going on another run. And that was like kind of like right here. So we could have a small pullback, but midterm to long term, it's bullish, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, that's the chart for QQQ and all the tech stuff. And like I was going back to the presentation by Powell. Basically, he was like ignoring any kind of bearish questions and like this like just not not really like worried about a lot of stuff. So either
could that be
he
him hiding or him being confident? What do you think, GGG in the chat?
I don't know, it could be both. He could just like know something crazy is gonna happen, so that's why he doesn't care about what the market's gonna do. Or it could just be like the stuff that he's doing is actually working. I mean, can't really tell till like later, Maybe in January we'll kind of see where we're
Oh,
at.
dude, imagine we tank, like, Jerome Powell will be like the scapegoat for everything, or
Mm-hmm.
no?
What do you mean the scapegoat?
Like, you think they'll crucify him? Like, they'll blame him for some stuff, or?
Nah, I don't think so. Bro, this run was crazy though, honestly. And it's just begun, really,
It's
because,
super strong. It's super healthy.
yeah.
Let's explain what
So,
happened last week. Go ahead.
go ahead. I just said, it's Powell's bullish. Powell,
No, no, I mean, like, what other tickers, like, went up, like crazy?
oh yeah, we had a bunch of stuff. So I guess if people have any
The winning
tickers,
plays, brother.
the winning plays for me, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the winning plays for me. This is one that I have a position in actually right now. It's Solar Edge. So first off, like as soon as Powell and all the Russell, the IWM index, like it's just started moving. It gapped up. Yeah, you remember this? This is from a while ago. Head and Shoulders. We kind
Yeah,
of called
back.
that out in the stream
Yeah.
back in the day. Yeah, but
Oh wow, it looks
yeah.
really nice.
What do you mean? It looks nice.
Like everything is like
playing out
It's the
perfectly.
books, the play, you know.
Oh yeah. We cashed out. You remember
Yeah.
you cashed
How
out.
much money did we make? How much
Uh,
money did you make?
Discord knows.
Yeah, true.
But
Discord.
for
Join the
real,
Discord if you guys want to see.
for real. So, oh, what were you saying about the plays? Okay, so as soon as Powell basically was very bullish,
Amy,
a lot of the
Jimmy, no.
nah, not Jimmy, Amy maybe,
Hmm.
but Aaron's kind of diluting y'all, right? Tell me about
Is he
AMC, bro.
still? I don't even hold the stock anymore, so
You're capping right now.
no, I don't. I never made a switch to that other company. What's it called?
The gold mining company or Ape?
No, you know how TD transferred to like a different
Charles Schwab, TD
yeah,
America, Charles Schwab.
I never transferred my shit, so like my shares are
It,
lost.
where?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. They really did you like that?
Well, I haven't even tried checking, so like I just don't
Dude,
care.
AMC is bearish right now. Not even gonna lie to you, bro.
Should we get some puts on Robinhood?
I might actually, bro.
You still use
So,
Robinhood?
hell yeah. If you guys want to use my referral link for Robinhood, it's down below.
Oh,
Uh, yeah,
a
bro.
free stock or what?
Well, listen. It's either Robinhood or Webull, and
Yeah. How has the Webull
Webull's China.
experience been? I know you're kind of new to Webull.
No, I would not. The thing is, Weeble's Chinese, so I don't want anything to do with Chinese, honestly. Like for my money, I don't mind
You
like
think
day
they'll
trading
just
some option.
you think they'll just take your account or something?
No, I just think that if anything, Weeble could go bankrupt. But I'd rather go
Oh,
bankrupt with Robinhood than I'll go bankrupt with China. Feel me? So
right. You're just choosing which ship to sync with.
yeah, I'm just choosing who to go bankrupt with, America or China. I mean, you gonna side with China?
No.
You feel me? Bro, I just noticed this, but this is bearish, brother. We might have to get some
Yeah.
boots. Might have to get the boots.
I'm going to $2 and got to. Are you gonna buy the dip?
Dip, forgot to, he's broke right now. He's got family things he's gotta do, remember? Bro, this is bearish though, for real, for real. Like for real. Look, I just did the TA, brother. So it was showing some life, but it got rejected there. It gapped down. And now if it starts breaking down here under 650, I would get the boots down to 6, maybe 5, bro. I'd probably look at February calls, I think.
For what, next week?
Or
Oh, February?
no, I'll probably get like February puts, January puts actually. Ooh, let's look at the flow for. So if you guys want to use unusual whales, also check out my link. You guys can save a little bit there. Okay, anyway, this is AMC. I'm gonna pull up the options chain for AMC real quick. We kind of started the stream off a little shaky, not gonna lie, but it's been a minute, so I think y'all can forgive us for that. But if you guys have any
Oh, that's
questions
how you
or
feel?
tickers, huh? No, I just like we kind of like lost our pace. We didn't really know how to start it, but we got a
It's because
a
you don't let me
freestyle
talk.
saved.
You gotta let me talk?
That's true. We got a freestyle saved at the end for. Is that right, Trippy?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all stay to the end for
And
that.
it's because it's been a while.
Mm-hmm.
GGG's gonna hop on it too.
You know, maybe if there's enough beat left for me, cause you're gonna eat it up. All right, so this is
Yeah, I'm a
AMC
monk.
chain. If I was to play any options, it would probably be like a month out. I've been learning to just get plenty of time on my plays and take 20% off the table and just walk away, brother. Cause this market is so up and down, bro. There's some times when I have like a play up.
Yeah.
If I hold it overnight, the next day, it's like break even and then it goes red. So I've been learning to just try to take my profits and um yeah, if the play is like if you can see like so much buying pressure on the stock and your puts aren't working, just close them out, bro, cuz the algos on the market are ridiculous. They'll just like buy stuff up. There'll be days when I'm just looking at the line all day, and it's like it goes down 2 cents and then it goes back up 3 cents, and then it goes down 2 and then it goes up 4. And there's just like too much buying algos. So at that point I'm like, there's no way. There's no strength in the selling side. There's no selling pressure, too much buying pressure, so I just close my boots. But I do like that AMC bearish play that you're talking about here. So basically we got back under 7, and you could even, if you go like to a 1 hour, this kind of looks like a head and shoulders right here. Like it just kind of looks like a head and shoulders. So check this out. You got a shoulder here, a head, and then some kind of shoulder. So this looks bearish to me. So I'm thinking maybe $6 for the boots. If you want to play a little safe, you could go with the 119s. $6 puts. There's actually a lot of open interest. Let's look at these real quick. Did these start gaining open interest? I'm trying to help you out so you can close your position, brother, because I know you're still long on AMC and you don't listen to me.
Dude, I mean, if I have the chance to get my account back, I mean,
you're gonna dump them?
You know, no, just hodl. It's
You're gonna hodl it?
Moon eventually. Adam Aaron is gonna save me in the end. You know, like Iron Man in the end game.
Yeah. Bro, check this out real quick. Check this out for real. So, the open interest around end of November was about 10,000 open interest, like 10,000 contracts near the ask. So, most likely people buying these puts. And about 2 weeks, that open interest doubled up almost. And they're actually down like maybe 20% right now from when most of the people bought. But there's still, who is this? Somebody just joined the Discord. They joined and then who is this? Wolo. Hey, what's up, man? Welcome. Hey, man, if you have questions, drop them in the chat or drop them in
Yeah, welcome.
Drop them in the whatchamacallit, in Discord. And yeah, there's a bot in Discord you can use. It's the search flow options. So do that if you want. But yeah, we're trying to print, right? We're trying to print. Wait, this isn't like, let's see. Okay, yeah, it's an existing member. It's it's not a bot. Yeah, what's up, Wolo? Wolo T4, no, Wolo 74.3. Okay, so look.
74.3?
Yeah. I mean 73.4. Dude, my brain be messing up. Okay, this is bearish though, for real, brother.
Baltimore.
Hey, look, check this out. Check this out, dude. This is bearish. If it breaks 655, I would get puts, and this pattern here looks bearish to me. It's like a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder. And they kind of look better the first time, actually. But yeah, that's a head and shoulders pattern in my opinion. I will be looking at the puts for AMC. The ones with the most interest are the ones I showed you for January 19th. And those are about 20,000 open interest. I think AMC will probably be trading between $4 and $6 because you can see like the next big open interest is down at 4. I doubt they let both of these go in the money, so they'll probably fight around $5 by end of maybe mid-January. They'll probably be around $5, I think. To the upside, you don't really see that much open interest. You see this? The most open interest is down here at the 9 and 10s. This down here though is nuts. So AMC definitely on my list. Sorry, apes. If you want to play a little more risky, you want to play just like the breakdown here and then take your profits, I would probably look at the 105s or the 112s. But the 112s don't really have much volume. and these have a little bit more volume. I would probably go with the 6s for the 105 for the 105s, maybe even the 6.5s, and just I think the 105s I would get the 6.5 puts and just ride those out and make some profit and then close them out, and then you can get some of the 119s 6s. These, I think these are crispy because you'll probably be, I think mid-January AMC will probably be around $5.50. So right now I think like worst case scenario, if you buy them for like, what's the last average right now, about 40 cents, you'll probably need to close at 560 to break even for these. You feel me? So yeah, I need to add that. I need to add that to my list. So AMC bearish, looking at the mid-January $6 puts, maybe the 105's 6.5 puts, because the head and shoulders here. Now, did you want to talk about GME also or nah?
Just curious on how Jimmy.
GME. I bet. I do have a play. I kind of mentioned it earlier. It's an energy play, and I'll talk about that one next. But if you guys have any tickers you guys want to look at, we can look at the options flow, and we can also look at the chart. So let me know in the chat. So Jimmy, this looks good. We kind of like, we've been playing this one for a minute actually, but I'm gonna get rid of all of this stuff. Just start fresh, and it actually looks a lot better than AMC, not gonna lie to you, brother. Let's go to like a 1 hour chart, because this looks much better. So you're clearly in an uptrend now. I think got a chart right here, basically got, I say we kind of revisit this right here. I think maybe like Monday, Tuesday will be a good opportunity here. If you can come around 1680, then you can bounce off there. Like a good example was probably Spotify. I think I was doing the same thing with Spotify. Yeah, see, so I was looking this on Friday, or no, Thursday, and I got calls way too early, so I had to cut them. And now it's kind of coming to this downtrend resistance, right? So Spotify might be a good play now. Like if you can see it hold this here, it can go to the back up to like 200, or it can go ahead and fill the gap down here. So Spotify is going to be a good play for the week ahead. But yeah, just kind of that. This is basically the same thing I'm kind of looking for in GameStop. See, like GameStop is basically like consolidating, but the trend line is like still a little further out, right? So that's what I'm waiting for on GameStop. So let me show you real quick. That's just, you see what I'm saying here?
Yeah.
Kind of like still waiting, consolidating.
Yeah, more support.
Yeah, it needs to like, it just needs that bounce, I think, in my opinion. It could come down to like 16.5, right? So let's put that line up there. So like 16.5. So I think this will kind of be like a point where it could bounce off like 1670, 16.5. And then you can kind of like, either if it shows like strength in here, then you could probably get the calls. But yeah, this one definitely looks much better than AMC, unfortunately. So actually, you could probably play it safer. If you see it come down here, maybe wait until it comes back above 17.5 again, and then you can start riding this back out to like, the first target would probably be like 19.5. That'd be the first target. And yeah. Damn, well, see, this is the daily. So the daily, I think I'll give it like 1 or 2 days. It'll probably come down to 16.5, and then you can see if it has any strength, and it can possibly go higher to like 19.5. I do like this play. So kind of bullish on AMC, or bullish on GME, bearish on AMC. You see what I'm saying? You kind of pick up what I'm saying.
Yeah, dude. Thank you for being really, clear about that.
Yeah, no problem.
Very clear about it.
Facts, for real. But yeah, I think this is much better because this one basically's been in a downtrend like since like here, right? So every day just chop down, come up to the resistance, come back down. And then you saw it finally break out, kind of came back and retested this. And there seems to be more strength going up. But I don't think it's quite ready for the next move up. I'm thinking like 16.5, and then we could maybe see that 19.5. So, should we look at the options on GameStop? You're thinking. Let me see. We might actually, let's start off with just looking at flow. Just looking at options in general. You don't have any money though, so you're not gonna trade anything, right?
I got like 4K.
Yeah, but you gotta make your account again, right? Or you got a Robinhood account.
I have a Robinhood account, yeah.
But yeah, so you're gonna be taking some of these trades then, huh? And that way
Maybe
you
next
can get
month.
some
Think
get some confidence.
think I can make some money next month?
Yeah. So there's some GameStop $27 calls. That's crazy. That's for next week though. I don't think that's realistic.
Can we look a month ahead or nah?
Yeah, we can look a month ahead. I was just looking at the stuff that's coming in like recently. This is like 10,000 premium. There was a lot of calls on the 17s, but they're looking like a spread. Let's see what spread it goes with. So the 20s and the 17s are going together for 119. That makes kind of sense. Let me go over here. So the 119s, GameStop 17.5s, and the 20s. They just go together, basically. You say you want to look at what strike?
Next year.
Next year for January?
Yeah.
So right now, most of the open interest is on these 20s. The 20s, and then on the put side, the 10s. Let's look at these 10s real quick. I'm kind of curious. Computer slow, bro. It's not loading up the juice. Okay, here we go. Oh, damn, look. So there's like, hold on. There's like people closing these positions, these puts. So people were adding puts at 40 cents, and now people are getting back out. You seeing this?
Yeah.
At like a big ass loss. So that kind of helps me think GameStop is bullish, which kind of lines up with our chart too, right? So let's look at the call side, the $20 calls. There's some people exiting their calls here also on the 20s, but these might be a little bit safer, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
How much are these? These are $1 right now, and not bad. There's people still adding. It's like 1,600, then 800 get out, 13, 16, and then 8 get out. They're probably just day trading these, it looks like. But the overall open interest is still kind of consistent. So 13.5. Now it's 14 and 1. Had pretty good volume on Friday, so it could go up. I think these would be safe. The 119.20s. But remember, we kind of looking at big volume carryover. So big volume was 15s, 17.5s, and 20s. Alright, so kind of bullish on GameStop, bearish on AMC. I laugh at AMC all the time because. Alright, so my plays for the week. Obviously, I like PayPal. PayPal's nice. Man, I've been talking about PayPal for like a minute, like all week on Twitter.
Yeah, ain't shit happening.
It did happen, my guy. Finally, like this big green candle right here.
Now we're about to dump.
Yeah, I could see us coming down to like 60.5. That's where I'm looking to get calls and shares again. And then I'm gonna ride it.
Opium.
Opium. Well, listen, brother. We haven't really for real gotten out of the gut. We gotta fill this gap up here. Everybody's gotta want to fill this gap,
Mm-hmm.
which is from 66, I think, to like 73. This is the goal right here. This is the mission. So I'm thinking like $60. It comes down here. Basically, it's a triangle, right? And then it finally broke out. It broke out. It's coming back down to retest this as a support. And if it can hold above this range, like if you just wait patiently for 60 and then it bounces off, it shows strength, then we could be going back out to that, fill that gap up there. The other thing for me though is this kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders, which would mean we could go back into the gutter, like back into 58. Which
So
basically
what you're
means,
saying is you want people to gamble with you?
yep. Well, listen, it could if it holds above 60 and then you
Gotta be
start
certain,
seeing
bro. We're live on YouTube. We don't spread,
false information, hopium.
exactly.
We just get nobody's perfect though. We can only give them the best we can do. So this is like my advice: wait for 60, see how it reacts around this level. If it starts breaking 60, just wait, because it's probably going to come down to like 57. Going to come back around here. And then at that point, I think it's going to be an inverse head and shoulders. So you got a shoulder here, big ass head. And then it'll probably like kind of trade around this range here. Maybe come down to like 57.
Right.
Ooh, that's kind of gross. Yeah, like kind of like 57 range here. So it'll kind of come around here, and then it'll start curling back around, and that's probably when I'll probably get back into it, into like shares, and then it'll finally make inverse head and shoulders here, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then you could play the breakout of 66 for the gap fill there. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. So you saw it here on stream. Wait for 60, kind of see if it holds. If it doesn't, just wait patiently for 57, 58. And it'll probably kind of chill here for a minute. And then once it starts breaking back above 60, then you'll see 64 and you'll see like some fight here at 65, 64. Is it 64? Yeah, about 64. You'll see some fight around here. And it might get rejected, kind of chop for a bit, but yeah, that's the plan with this one, I think. This one, honestly, I've played options and I always lose, bro. So I just buy shares with PayPal. It's just the safe play, I think. So PayPal is a good one. But the one that I want to talk about is Solar Edge. So this is the one that I talked about earlier. But basically, this setup looks pretty nice, the gap here. But let me give you some backstory. So as soon as Powell was like bullish, like a lot of the energy plays just started going crazy. Yeah. So for example, in phase, this thing went nuts, filled the gap. Now it's going back up to the highs of like 130, which is nuts. The other one was Fiesler or First Solar. This one's going crazy now. Yeah, so a lot of energy plays are going, even RUN, which is Sunrun, a lot of energy plays are going nuts. And Solar Edge did similar things, but it didn't really do much on Friday, and that's okay. It's just consolidating. So let me go to a 1 hour chart real quick. It's just consolidating, brother. Like, there is no resistance right now. Where we got clear skies. People are just accumulating shares right now, it looks like.
Yeah.
And if the market's green on Monday and Tuesday, I don't see why we don't go to 113 by the end of the week. That's my plan, brother. Now, I will point out MACD kind of is a little... What did I just do? Yeah, MACD's a little concerning there. It looks like it's curling and stuff, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we're gonna sell off. Could just mean that maybe we consolidate for a longer time, so it could just consolidate for like another day, which would kind of suck. But yeah, I like this one because we broke out of like 87. It just gapped up. Now it's consolidating. If it can find some more buyers, then we probably go back up to 113. I think the main target though is 100 is psychologically the number. If you can like get above 100, then I'll probably start moving a lot faster to the upside. But yeah, this one's kind of ridiculous because this one, it just hovered above like 200 like for like 3 years, and then it broke down. But now it looks like it, and see, this is now it's trading at like 2020 levels. So it lost all its gains, and I think there's a lot of upside with this one. So this one's my favorite play for the week, and actually there's some flow on it, so I'm gonna show you real quick. A lot of calls on the 100s came in on Friday. I think I posted them on not Twitter, but on Discord. I think you saw those. But yeah, 100s for next week, and then I think there were some other ones. Let me see. The 115s. Yeah, the 115s for January 19. These are very good because, like I said, the gap is like 113, 115. So, these make sense. So the 115s, let's look at the open interest on these real quick. But yeah, this is the one that I'm playing right now. Should we talk about like a few other? Look, here's the carryover. 2,700 volume, 1,000 carryover. So now there's 14 contracts out there opened. Not much volume going into these, so this position is still technically open, I would assume. And the 100s for 22. Oh, there's 100s for 119 also. So the 119s and then the 1222s. So those are three chains to look at. The SEDG 100s, 1222s, and the 100s, 119s, which is like right here. The 119s, 100s. How much volume did these have? Let's look. My computer's slow as hell today. Only 500 came in here.
Really?
Yeah, only 500 contracts, but they're expensive. So they actually spent like $282,000 on somebody. So they bought like 300 contracts at about $9, and so they spent about $282,000 for the 100s, January 19th, and then the 12s, 22s. These have 178,000. These are more interesting because there's like basically no open interest on these. There's like 10 contracts, and then basically there's like 10 contracts that existed in the market, and then somebody came in and created like 500 contracts at like $5 or $4.10. So yeah, the 100s. Oh, these are 99 calls, my bad. I want the 100s. I was looking at the wrong one. Oh shit. Is there a UFC fight today? Here's the 100s for 20 for the 12s. These are 1,700 contracts. Yeah. And it's like almost $500,000, $474K. Somebody just put a whole bunch of money into the 12s, 22s, 100s. Yes, I'm excited for Solar Edge. Is it Solar Edge? Yeah. So energy plays.
You said that
This is probably my
comments?
No, I didn't. We ain't got nobody in the comments right now. It's just me. It's just me and you right now. So what did we go? We went around. Oh no! Damn, it's dead. It's only one viewer, brother.
No way.
Yeah, that's crazy. We need the backup. Anyway, so we talked a little bit about the memes. I talked about my play for the week, We also covered PayPal. I think that's an interesting play. Should we talk about some of the other high growth stuff like Affirm and Upstart, or should we talk about like Tesla? What do you think? Affirm's ran
Maybe
up
we
so
should
much.
talk about. Wait, is Blue Origin a public company or no?
Nah, I don't think so.
Because
Is it?
Jeff Bezos, I don't know, is he?
Yeah, yeah. He owns
Wouldn't
it, I think.
yeah, he owns it, but
Mm-hmm.
do you know if anything about Blue Origin helps Amazon ticker go up or down?
I don't think so. Oh, we should probably talk Docu. We'll talk Docu in a bit. I don't know about Amazon going up off of Blue Origin. I don't think. Why did they? Something happen with them?
Yeah, I'm very bullish on Blue
Blue
Origin,
Origin.
but I guess it's not a traded stock.
Well, listen, we could just chart up Amazon just in case. Oh wow, this actually one of my buddies told me Amazon looked good. It does look good. Not even gonna lie to you, brother. It does look good. So Amazon has room to go to like 159, 160. It looks like
Hmm.
it's held this like support very well. The 140, 143, 144 range. And it's actually broke its previous highs, which is like 146, 146. Yeah. So right now, it really doesn't have any resistance until like 158. And also, it's been consolidating for a long ass time, basically since like November. And you can see it's just now starting to break out. So we might be able to catch this early actually. But we've got a huge run up followed by some consolidation. And now it looks like we're going to get that next push up. Wow, good call out on this one. That's why you gotta join the stream, get the alerts, get the plays in early, brother. Yeah, I might be interested in like the 160s for Amazon. That's crazy. This is crazy, bro. I know the economy is being held up by like duct tape and stuff, but
Yeah.
the charts are all bullish. MACD starting to curl back over, so that would be bullish as well. Let me look up some of the. Should we look up Amazon chain real quick? Let's see if there's anything sus. With Amazon, you gotta put more money in here because it's just a big name. So 25K. Let's see, let's see. Is there any other tickers you want to talk about?
No, just to summarize, Jeff Bezos went on a podcast with
Mm,
Friedman, and he said that
is either
the goal of Blue Origin is to be the most important company in the whole world. And
yeah,
that got me super interested because what Jeff Bezos is trying to do with Blue Origin, like what Elon is trying to do with SpaceX, trying to
right,
expand our race, and travel our race into
yeah,
different planets and live there, That's the goal,
mm,
So Jeff Bezos just saying that, he wants to be the most important company, that his goal for Blue Origin, he said that his goal for Amazon is to be the biggest customer friendly like company, and they are, you know. People use Amazon every day, to buy stuff from any category, really. So he
right.
accomplished that with Amazon, and now he's saying that he wants to be the most important company with Blue Origin. which is why he said that he stepped down as CEO for Amazon.
Kind of crazy. You think he can do it?
Yeah, I think he can do it. Yeah.
Are you team Elon or you team Bezos, brother?
I'm team Bebop Bunker.
Oh yeah? Yeah, that's not even an option. You committed though. Bro, I was
Team
noticing
Biden.
people are, huh? Team Biden? Oh no. You're gonna get kicked out from the bunker.
Yo, what?
Yeah, we can't have that, brother. You not see the inflation?
True.
It is, I mean, I heard that as soon as he took office, inflation started going up. Is that right? Is that true?
I don't know. Is that true, YouTube?
Somebody back us up. I'm looking at these. Bruh, look at this. Somebody is bullish on Amazon. Look, they're buying 155s, selling 162s, selling 155s. They could possibly be buying those other ones too, actually. Let's see. Yeah, I'm bullish on Amazon, brother. Good call out. So let's see. We talked Amazon,
Have you traded on
PayPal,
Amazon before?
Energy. I've traded it a few times, but I don't really trade it because, like,
You're a noob.
it just moves slow, bro. It moves, like, really slow. But it looks like it's getting ready for this next leg up. So 158,
Hey, I'm putting you
155.
on early.
Oh, yeah. And see, I don't
Come
really
on.
like Amazon. And I don't really like Amazon because you see all these, like, choppy ass days. Like, very rare to
Why?
get, like, yeah. Yeah, exactly. So I'd rather play like other stuff, but I mean this is looking good, not gonna lie. So 150, if you start seeing 150 on this thing, brother, I'll start jumping the train, getting some calls. And we'll probably post the plays on Discord. What do you think? Probably post the plays. How much time
Yeah,
we got? 47.
flex on Wolo, Mojo, Gato,
Exactly. Got to.
Francine, Bolio,
Bullio. Yeah,
IDK.
Bully. Bullio's been kind of MIA lately though. I don't know, and so is damn Plug Rip. You remember Plug?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that guy. Yeah.
You think he's watching the stream right now? Shout out to Plug. Hope he has a Merry
What's
Christmas.
up, plug?
Plug. You think he's in here?
Nah, he don't.
Probably
He
hiding right
don't.
now.
He don't
He's
be
at
on.
work right
He's
now.
probably Wolo.
Or you think that's the burner
Probably.
account? Yeah. Probably the burner account, brother. Okay, so we bullish Amazon. We bullish Energy Place. What else? Bullish. I actually like that AMC play on AMC. It's like sorry to the
Chill,
apes, but
chill. Adam Aaron.
yeah, Adam Aaron, he's a snake. I told
Did you
you.
hear? Did you hear that Lou said he's done with Amy?
He's been done with it. He doesn't leave
Damn,
though.
he doesn't make a video. Does he still make videos about Amy? I think
XRP brother.
he just
He's
makes
in the crypto market. Hey,
XRP videos.
somebody dropped another like, brother. We got 4 likes. That's crazy. Thank you guys
That
so
was
much for the likes.
Plug. You know, they're
That was
toying with
Plug.
us, bro. Why do they leave Amy at 666 for a good minute of the day? You know,
I saw that. I
it's
got to
like it's
posted
all
it.
it's all subliminal. It's all mockery, guys. Apes
It's
hodl, just hodl. We
it's
want money.
over.
They're
It's
trying to
over
they're trying to tease us, mock us.
for the people tuning in just now. We're bearish on AMC. We got a head and shoulders pattern here forming. Under 650, guys, we're going down to $6, maybe 5.5.
I hope we go to $2-3.
It probably will, honestly. What's crazy though is like this is post split, like post $10, 10 share split or something, or 30. Was it 30 or 10?
It was
So times So this was like at
It was
60,
10.
right? It
10
was
to
10.
1.
It's ridiculous. Bro, it's ridiculous. So this thing was actually, yeah, at 35. So it was at 3.5. Then they gave you 10 for one. Is that right?
They
No,
took all my
something.
shares.
Took all your shares and they gave you $35. And then they drop it right back down to where you guys were at. It's so nasty. It's criminal. That's why I got out, brother. You had to get out. So remember the squeeze that was at $60? It's now $340 squeeze.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
I'm telling you, bro, they Adam Aaron robbed you, got to. Like
Hey, dude, he's down bad, brother. Oh, don't you're down bad too, aren't you?
yeah, but I got the baby mama.
That's true. She's in Palms Beach right now, though, away from the kids.
No,
Is
she
it?
has a kid. She took
She takes care of you and she takes care of the kid, brother. So kids, plural,
and the dog. Come
and the
on now.
dog. She's doing all the heavy lifting, brother. You
Hell
gotta step
yeah.
up. You gotta step up.
Yeah, when Amy Moas, I'll step up.
I think Jimmy has a better chance of Moazing
All
than.
right, well, I got some Jimmy. Leave in the comments if you have Jimmy. If you have
Yeah.
some Jimmy. You got Jimmy?
I have no meme shares, brother. None.
See, that's why your portfolio tanks every week.
Yeah. That cut deep. But nah, my portfolio did like a 300% rotation, brother. I bought like PFE, Pfizer at
Uh-huh.
6, or not 26. Then I sold at 26.30.
Oh,
I made 30
bro.
cents off each share. And then it went up higher. So baby steps, baby steps. Right now, I got the energy play and I closed everything else out because I don't want to have too much exposure. So I'm chilling. Okay, so let me show you actually. There's a few other interesting plays. SE. I saw a lot of put volume on SE, which is like an e-commerce, C limited e-commerce. And this thing is starting to break down, brother. And it looks like another head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, and shoulder.
Shoot.
So, you see this? This right here is a very interesting play. If you start breaking that $35, get the puts. Now, there's people already positioning themselves. I saw a lot of C limited flow. I didn't take any action because it could always bounce back. But let's just get a look at what the flow. So yeah, huge spike candles of puts. You see these? Here's one right here, about 61,000, 800,000. I think this might be the one that I saw actually. This one came in a while ago. So we're gonna quickly look, but yeah, definitely C limited. Bro, I need to get active on YouTube again for real. Start sharing these plays.
Yeah, it's fun, right?
Look at this. Oh, somebody somebody sold $29 puts. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe they don't see that far going down. So I would
Yeah, they're playing
play.
it safe.
Yeah, exactly. Let's look at
Do
a
you
few
play it
others.
safe?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been trying to play it safe. I've been trying to like do a month out contract and stuff. If it's a small position, then I'll do like 2 weeks out. But it's gotta be like a really small position. If it's a medium size position, then I do like a month out. Let's look for the puts. Let's look for the puts. There's another one here. I'm pretty sure I saw a lot of put flow. I'm not sure why it's not coming up anymore. Let me just look up. Let me duplicate this tab real quick. I'm trying to show the fans at home the puts for C limited. In the meantime, I'm gonna keep searching. It might be these right here. The 61,000. But yeah, this is like a Philippine e-commerce stock. What the hell?
Oh, really?
Yeah, and like TikTok is like basically taking over or something in Philippines. So basically bearish for this one. That's all I really gotta say. I'm not seeing the puts that I saw earlier. Fuck. Let's just look at the ones I saw. Here they are. See, 105, $35 puts. These are the ones.
Hmm.
105, $35 puts are the ones I saw come in. 5,900 in volume and about 400,000. Here they are. So let's just look to make sure that we got it right. Yeah, here they go. See? So the bid spread was 120 to 127, and the buyer bought this at the top, 127.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add those to my watch list. I saw these come in. I saw some more flow come in later that day on SC. So yeah, if it breaks 35, bro, shoot, might need to step in there, brother. So yeah, C limited bearish. Now let's say it comes down to 35 and it doesn't break, starts breaking back above 40, then this is most likely like a double bottom,
Yeah.
and I would close the boots, and then I would ride it to the gap fill up here. You know what I'm saying, brother? But
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I feel bearish right now on this, for real, for real. We'll just have to kind of wait, but this is on my watch list. What was the other one I said? Uh, OKTA, kind of bullish on that one, but it is coming to resistance. So let me show you guys, because I saw this one on Friday too. And actually, this is one that I was talking about for a minute. I actually caught this like way early, like when I was at around 73. I got proof on the Discord if you need to see it. But yeah, this is coming up to the top of a resistance. I say it could still go up to 87, 88. But I mean, you're chasing at this point right now. So this is why I kind of avoided this one, but it does look good. Like I saw as soon as it hit like 75, I was like, okay, this thing's gonna fill this gap right there. Like all this huge sell-off, it's gonna fill that up pretty easy. But I was just busy with other plays too, so you know, I couldn't play all of them. But what is this? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. PRTA? Prohena Corp. Oh, I thought it was Proterra. Proterra is one that I was looking at. It's a bankrupt stock. There's a lot of money on PLTR, Palantir, Costco, TKO. Okay, this is one that normally doesn't get much options. So let's look at that. You know what TKO is, right? It's the UFC stock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shoot, this thing's been beat up. So it could be somebody seeing a reversal in this. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So I don't normally see flow on TKO, so that's why it did catch my attention. There's the 180s for January 19th. Let's look at this. Let's see how much money's going into this real quick. The only reason, like I said, this is interesting to me is because it normally doesn't get much options flow. And I can kind of show you that real quick. I'll show you that over here. So, see, like some stocks, they'll have volume of options throughout the day. But then there's some other stocks that don't really get that. And so normally that can be a good indicator that there could be something going. What is that?
Huh?
What is that? You alright? Yeah, so see, looks like so like TKO doesn't really get much activity on options, so when stuff comes in like this, it could be something to look for. It doesn't really get much options versus like the other one I showed you guys. It was like filled of like options. Yeah, TKO on my list now. TKO on my list.
I got you.
Alright, so write that one down, brother. So we got, actually, let me get my pen and paper. We've been finding some good stuff right now, actually. I'm glad we did this live stream.
Yeah, brother.
If you guys have any questions.
We gotta end the year strong, get paid.
Exactly, brother. I made back most of my losses, just most of them. Still need more help.
Even by the end of the year?
Probably not. Not gonna lie to you, but TKO is one. Fuck, this pen is no good. Right? So TKO, what was the last one we talked about?
Amazon?
Yeah, that was kind of good actually. Oh, are you writing these down or not?
Yeah, and I'm gonna rewatch the stream.
Okay, bet. Alright, so we got TKO. I haven't done much research on TKO, but it looks interesting. The ones that we really like are Solar Edge. We had another one that I liked. What was the other one? Oh, it was Amazon. We didn't have an option play for that one. We just had the chart set up on Amazon. And then,
yeah, options are probably expensive, right?
On Amazon, yeah. Oh, SE was the other one. Isn't that right? SE. And then we also had AMC's a good put play because we were bearish on the apes. What was the other one? Fuck. I think this will show me the recent charts. Let's see, recent charts. It was Amazon, Solar Edge, PayPal. Yeah, PayPal. We didn't have an option play. We didn't have option play on PayPal or Amazon. We just like the charts, right? Then Solar Edge has good options and a good chart setup. And then SE, bearish, and it had a good chart and some pretty good options. And then AMC, we're just bearish on it. So, okay. And then TKO is the last one we looked at. And the idea with this one is we saw flow come in on a stock that normally doesn't get flow. And actually looking at the chart, you can see it just filled the gap and now it's curling back around. And now we're working on a gap to the upside. So up here around 81 to 84. That's what it looks like. Now, I will say it's still in a downtrend. So just adding this line here. Or actually, we're not in a downtrend. It just broke out. So you remember that chart I showed you where it did a gap out? It broke out of the resistance and then it ran. This looks just like it, right? What was that chart? Was it GameStop? Was it GameStop? There was one that I showed you. It was probably GameStop. Remember? Yeah, it was. Man, you've been paying attention, my guy. Yeah, so look, it broke down on this resistance, then it gapped up, and now it's working its way. So it looks like TKO is doing something like that. Damn, brother, you've been listening. I'm proud. Dang.
How long we been live for? An hour?
Like an hour. Should we stay on for the people, or should we cut it? Should we cut it off soon? You think?
Whatever.
But yeah, this one looks kind of good. And we picked this up through Unusual Wealth. By the way, the link is provided there for you guys. If you use my link, then you get 5% each month. Like, you save 5% on your membership, but you can just make a free account and helps out the channel, and you guys know the spill there. Okta. Okay, we said Okta, but we wasn't really interested in Okta. But TKO, for real, I do like TKO. Now we just gotta find the flow that's going with TKO, which would be kind of like, it was the 80s for February or January. But we're just gonna quickly look. It's probably gonna be the 80s for 119 because those are kind of safe. Those will probably be the ones I would even trade because I definitely want to get time on my side, and yeah, basically that's my lesson there. But yeah, TKO looks very interesting. Now it could just be like a reversal in the chart, or it could even be like some bullish news or some catalyst, and people are positioning for that, you know? So it seems like it's a win-win right now. By the way, WWE and UFC, they've been doing pretty good, like as far as like putting in revenue, like bringing in revenue and stuff. So not gonna lie, I'm kind of bullish on this. So there's only calls to the on. There's only calls. There's no puts for some reason. But let's look at like look at something smaller. You could probably see the flow that I was picking up. I hope my music's not coming through. Okay. Discord's coming through though. Mic check, mic check. Yeah, Discord's coming through. I've been cooking late in La Cocina. TKO. What is this? 7614 calls? Is that even a thing? That's a bug, I think. That's so weird. Anyway, we saw. Yeah, that's so weird. 7614 calls? That doesn't make any sense. This is definitely some weird. That can't be an actual chain. Let's look at the options chain. There's multiple ways you can find the flow. You can go through like the options chain and kind of just dig through here. Oh wow, there really is a 7614. Look. I've never seen that in my life, brother. Wow, wow, wow. Hey. I gotta pull this up on my Robinhood account to make sure my eyes are not seeing things. Oh, my phone died. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna look it up on the Robinhood web app, but I gotta do it off screen because I'm broke and I don't want to show you guys my balance right now. Damn. You guys can always donate to my account, Cash App or something. I said, Trippy, you gonna donate to the Triple G Foundation? And left. Looking for TKO calls for January 19th. They actually have 7614 calls. Wow. That's crazy. Okay, I've never seen that. I've never seen these weird strikes. Something new for me, really. It's interesting though, not gonna lie. Okay, so these would be the ones that I look for anyway. Oh, actually, these are probably the only ones that you can look at. So TKO doesn't really get much options activity, so they only do the monthly. So they do January's, February's, April's, because there's not enough options. So maybe it's not even that big of a catalyst. I do like the chart setup though. Okay, so 790. I think for now, all I'm gonna say is watch the carryover for these on Monday. See how much open interest is displayed on Monday. If these are sticking, if this goes up, if these go up to like 19 and then this goes to 34, then we could definitely see some momentum to the upside. And also, yeah. And then also, there's like these on the downside, but I really like the upside. Like Trippy called out, we broke the downtrend. This man left. Okay, so yeah, this is TKO. Broke down the downtrend resistance. MACD curling. Bullish momentum is almost there. And then we have a gap fill to fill right there. So yeah, I like this one. And Yeah, 80 is gonna be that resistance. It looks like that's like historically that resistance, like right there. Cause we've been like, we've gone up here once before, it got rejected, up here got rejected. So once we go up here to try to get that gap fill done, we'll probably get rejected just based off like history, basically. See, it came down to 80, bounced up because it's a strong support, but now it's gonna be like a very strong resistance. So very strong resistance, got rejected, and then when it came down here, it got rejected. So I'm thinking when we go up there, we're gonna get rejected. So I would take my profits at 80, wait on a pullback, and then if you're still bullish for this gap fill right there, wait for that pullback there, and then get more calls, and then go back in. But yeah, I do like this one. I'll be watching it on Monday. The other ones we were talking about was I don't think there was much other flow here. We could kind of graze through it, but you guys sign up for it. Oh, there's some puts on Dash for some reason. Yeah, if you guys want to look, check out the link and feel free to sign up. You can sign up for free, and there's some stuff free, and then there's like a delayed data tier, and then there's like a live flow. Which if you're doing like some of the stuff we're doing right now, like after hour stuff, then the delayed data is fine. And it's cheaper. UAL? Hold on. UAL calls. Hold on. I'm almost done with the stream, but I want to look this up real quick too. Okay, UAL, because I kind of want to get an idea of... Oh yeah, this is bullish. I think so. Yeah. So resistance is like 46, and where's those calls? 46. Yeah. Okay. See, the charts don't lie sometimes. And we've had this line up there for a minute actually. So yeah. Interesting. This is very good. And it had a Friday consolidation day. Maybe consolidates Monday, and then Tuesday it does the continuation. Bullish momentum. Oh yeah, UAL might be something to watch. But yeah, I think that's all we have. Let me size this up real quick and do like 25K. On the way to the 2,000. I want 20,000. I want 20,000 so that it just filters out like the small stuff. But my computer's been bugging. Damn, we were gonna do a live stream. We were gonna do a freestyle at the end, but Trippy just left for some reason. I think he had baby mama drama. That got canceled really quick. I'm gonna quickly do this last thing and then probably be done. We don't really have many questions. We got 3 likes, which is pretty cool. Yeah, pretty awesome that I still got some likes. Fastly? What's up with Fastly? Oh, something's up with Fastly. We started the stream off so slow though. We were tripping over each other, I think. I gotta close some of this stuff out because my computer's like slow. So 2,000, 20,000, there we go. This will filter out a lot of the small orders and then just show us 20K and above. Let's see. I said I found a way. Where's this on guys? Hey Phil. Okay, so we saw the SC boots. There's more SC boots there. Macy calls. Oh, last one I want to cover is ARM, guys. ARM. That's the last one I'm gonna cover. I really like ARM just as a trade right now. Damn, that's crazy. This is crazy, actually. Yeah. Okay, so this one still looks bullish, and it's actually already breaking back out. Yeah, ARM, just watch it. It's gonna So I actually saw this one back here. I didn't pull the trigger. Dang, I'm slacking. But yeah, we broke the IPO price. This is like new price discovery up here. I don't see why this couldn't go to 80, honestly. This is ridiculous. Yeah, so this is definitely one that I'll be watching. I would probably get like mid-January calls too. And I think when I saw this one, there was some pretty interesting flow for the upside. I think it was, yeah, the 73s for like 2 weeks out. Yeah. ARM, definitely look at this one. It just broke out. Bullish trend. It's hard to go wrong with this one right now. Yeah. And previous highs like right here. So if it starts breaking under 70, get the boots. Because it'll probably come down to this like 66, 67 range. But yeah, as long as it keeps staying above 70, it's gonna keep working towards 80 or 73, I think. Yeah, so I think that's all I have for today's stream. I think we went a little over an hour, so I'll try to keep it under an hour next time, but I think we found some interesting plays. And yeah, this was my first one back, so if you guys don't mind, drop a like if you can. And wish you guys a happy holiday. Hopefully I can do another stream. When is Christmas? What day is Christmas? Christmas is on Sunday. Christmas on Monday. I'll probably do another stream Saturday or something. Maybe some stuff during the week. I've just been trying to like take care of my health and stuff, so I've been doing some gym and stuff like that. So yeah, I've been doing that. But yeah, I hope you guys have a happy holiday, and we'll see you guys in the next stream. Peace.